For many people, turning 50 is a time of reflection. You may have spent decades in one field and started to wonder, is this really what I want to do for the rest of my working life? This question is common and perfectly natural. The world around us changes, and so do our interests and values. Maybe your job no longer excites you, or perhaps new opportunities have caught your eye. Health, family, or the desire for more meaning can inspire a career shift. Sometimes, the workplace itself changes. Companies close, jobs move overseas, or new technologies come in. These changes can push us to think about what's next, even if we didn't plan to do so. A fresh start can feel like a chance to rediscover yourself. Many people at 50 have financial responsibilities like mortgages, college funds, or saving for retirement. This can make change feel risky, but it's also a time when you have valuable experience and wisdom. You know what you like and what you don't. You know your strengths. Making a career change at 50 is not about starting over from scratch. It's about building on everything you've learned so far. With the right approach and mindset, this chapter can be your most rewarding yet. There are a lot of myths about changing careers after 50. Some people say it's too late or that employers only want young workers. Others worry that learning new skills is impossible at this age. These ideas can hold you back before you even start. The truth is, more people than ever are making successful career changes later in life. In recent years, companies have begun to value experience and maturity. Your skills, reliability, and ability to work well with others matter. Many employers want people who can mentor younger coworkers and bring stability to a team. Another myth is that you need to go back to school for years. While some careers do require more education, many do not. There are short courses, certifications, and online classes that can get you ready for a new field quickly. You can learn at your own pace, often from the comfort of your home. What matters most is your attitude and willingness to adapt. If you see yourself as a lifelong learner, opportunities will open up. Change is not always easy, but it is possible, and it can be the start of something exciting. The first practical step in any career change is deep reflection. Ask yourself, why do you want to change careers? Is it for more money, less stress, or greater meaning? Maybe you want to use your talents in a new way. Understanding your reasons will help you make smart choices. Write down your skills, interests, and values. What parts of your current job do you like the most? Which tasks give you energy? This exercise can reveal patterns and point you toward new paths. Sometimes, talking with a career coach or a trusted friend can help you see things more clearly. Next, consider your financial needs and family situation. Do you need to keep the same income, or could you downsize a bit for more satisfaction? Planning ahead can ease the pressure and make the change less scary. Make a list of possible challenges and brainstorm ways to handle them. Finally, set clear and realistic goals. Maybe you want to find a new job in a year or build up skills over 6 months. Break big goals into smaller steps. Each step forward is progress, even if it's just updating your resume or having one conversation. Once you know why you want to change, it's time to explore what's possible. Start by researching fields that match your skills and interests. Use online resources like job boards, company websites, and industry reports. Look for trends. Are certain fields growing? Which jobs are in demand? Make a list of roles that interest you. Read job descriptions and pay attention to required skills. Sometimes, a job title can be deceiving. Dig deeper to understand what people in those jobs actually do each day. Ask around. Chances are, you know someone who works in a field that interests you. Informational interviews are a great way to learn. Reach out to people in your network for a friendly chat. Ask about their day-to-day work, what they like, and what challenges they face. Most people enjoy sharing advice, especially with someone eager to learn. Finally, visit local career centers or attend job fairs. These can introduce you to new industries and employers. The more you learn, the more confident you'll feel about your next steps. Step 3 is all about building new skills with confidence. No matter what field you choose, some new skills may be needed. But hey, don't let this stop you. These days, there are so many ways to learn. Online platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, and community colleges offer short, affordable courses, and some are even free. Focus first on skills you already have and see how they transfer. For example, if you manage projects, those skills apply in many jobs. Communication, leadership, and organization are needed everywhere, so make a list of what you know and match it to what's needed in your new field. Then, identify any gaps. Do you need to learn a new software program, or maybe earn a certificate? Set aside regular time for learning, even if it's just 30 minutes a day. Learning something new can be energizing and really boost your confidence. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. Employers value people who are willing to learn and adapt. Show your commitment by putting in the effort, and you'll stand out from the crowd. Okay, so your resume needs a fresh look for your new career. It's important to focus less on job titles and more on your skills and achievements. Try to use keywords from job postings in the new field you're aiming for. Show how your experience matches what employers are looking for. And don't forget to add any new courses, certificates, or volunteer work to your resume. If you've helped with projects or teams that relate to your target job, make sure to highlight these clearly. Action words like led, organized, created, and improved really show employers what you can do. Also, don't forget your online presence. Update your LinkedIn profile with your new goals. Write a short summary that shares your story and highlights your passion for the new field. Try connecting with people in your target industry. Join groups and comment on posts to show your engagement. A modern resume and online profile can honestly make all the difference. They show you're serious and ready for a new challenge. Networking can feel scary, but honestly, it's one of the most effective ways to find new opportunities. Most jobs are actually filled through word of mouth, not ads. Start by reaching out to old colleagues, friends, and family. Let them know you're exploring new paths. Join professional groups in your area or online. Attend events, workshops, or webinars in your target industry. These are great places to meet people who can offer advice, or maybe even introduce you to hiring managers. Be curious and genuine in your conversations, and remember to help others when you can. Networking is a two-way street. Offer your experience or share articles and job leads. People remember those who are helpful and positive. Keep track of your contacts and follow up regularly. Even a simple thank you note or a quick update goes a long way. Over time, your network will become your biggest asset in making a successful transition. Let's consider the story of Maria, who spent 28 years as a banker. At 52, she realized she wanted work that made a difference. She took online courses in nonprofit management and started volunteering. Within a year, Maria landed a job as a program director at a local charity. She says her experience managing teams and budgets made her a strong candidate, even though she was new to the nonprofit world. Or take David, a former sales manager. When his company downsized at age 55, he felt lost. After some reflection, he remembered his love for teaching. He took a certification course and started tutoring high school students in math. Today, he runs his own small tutoring business and says he feels energized by helping young people succeed. These stories show that it's never too late. The path wasn't always smooth, but both Maria and David found support, learned new things, and built on their strengths. If you're thinking about a career change at 50, remember, you are not alone. It's totally normal to feel nervous, but don't let fear stop you. Start with small steps. Reflect on what matters to you, learn about new fields, and build your skills. Reach out to others for support and advice. Believe in your value. Your experience, resilience, and perspective are powerful tools. Employers need people who can solve problems, work well with others, and bring maturity to the table. Age is not a weakness, it's an advantage. Don't rush. Give yourself time to explore and grow. Celebrate each milestone, even the small ones. If you face setbacks, see them as part of the journey. Every step forward brings you closer to a new and fulfilling chapter. You have the ability to create the next part of your story. With careful planning and an open mind, the best is yet to come.